Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back on a video, yes sir, today, man. Got another in-hand review. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you follow me on all platforms down below, my Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff down below. I would greatly appreciate it, man. But today, man, we had an in-hand review of these Nike Dunk lows. Women's release, you know what I'm saying? We got the Safari pack. This shoe I actually like as a women's Nike Dunk release because this fit, you know what I'm saying? Women, like, y'all wear like different type of stuff. Y'all like to be more versatile with y'all clothes and all that good stuff. Y'all like stuff to pop out. And this shoe will definitely fit you. I believe it will. Because like I said, this shoe pops out a lot more, you know what I'm saying, with certain outfits that men won't wear, but women you will wear. You know what I'm saying? So this shoe would definitely be a good dope in your collection, I believe. But I think a lot of women is sleeping on this shoe as well, because a lot of women didn't see the shoe in hand, no videos, no pictures, all that good stuff, man. So I just want to be like, hey, let me go ahead and do a video for you ladies out there, to my Instagram page or my Twitter or my TikTok. I just want to bring this shoe to y'all so y'all can see, like, okay, I like this shoe, and give y'all my personal opinion on this shoe. So right now on Gold StockX, it's not even going too crazy right now. So this definitely be a great shoe to wear all year round. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, be more versatile with the shoe. It look good with like a lot. Like you really could do a lot of stuff to this shoe because there's so much stuff going on this shoe. But why not? They didn't remind me like the with the pack when they do it like with certain shoes or like certain man's basketball shoes and stuff. And I think this shoe right here will be definitely a good dope shoe for a female in their collection. So make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Without further ado, man, let's go get to the video. Today, man, we got an in-hand review of these Nike Dunk Lows Safari Pack women's release. Retail price, I think it was, let me double check and see. So they don't have the I hate when they do this now. They don't have the retail price on side of the shoe. I think the retail price of these was on $100 or $110. So nothing too crazy, nothing too bad. But I think, like I said, the resale value on these is like 170 or 160, something like that. So excuse me, nothing too crazy. Like I said, nothing too crazy at all. So this shoe, I'm telling y'all ladies gotta get into this shoe because this shoe is fire. That is my personal opinion. Comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all won this shoe, you picked up the shoe, or you're like, nah, I'm cool, you passed on it. Like I said, let your know boy down below. But not further ado, man, let's go get the shoe out, man. Here they go, man. Here they go. Nike Dunk Low. Most of the time, any Nike Dunks, women's, men's, whatever, will come in this box. High, lows, mids, whatever. 99% of the time, that 1%, it just be rare. Certain Nike Dunks won't come in these about like the Union joints. They don't come in these boxes, but majority of the time Nike Dunk Lows will come in this white red Nike box here. This is an 8.5 in women's, size 7 in grade school. So hey, in case y'all ladies out there like these, check out go on my Instagram page down below, Junkie Kicks. These are on my page, man. I got 2 pairs. No, I got 1 pair. Excuse me, I got 1 pair, and I have another size. If I got the other size in my head, I can't remember, but if you want this pair, check it out. I'll ship whatever you want to do. If you ain't from the same city, I'll ship it out to you. Let your boy know, and Instagram on Junkie Kicks down below. Link down in the description. But so says women's Nike Dunk Low SE, white light curry wash teal. Women's 8.5, men's 7. Retail price was 100 or 110. I think it was $110. I believe the retail price was. But let's go get these bad boys out. Dang. Here they go, man. A Nike Dunk Low women's Safari pack, man.
I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 gang.
Hey, you will only see some real niggas round me. Gang, gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the
These clean, bro. For women, for the ladies out there, man, this shoe is fire, bro. This shoe is fire. Y'all could be so versatile with this shoe. I know it's a lot going on, but y'all could be so versatile with this shoe. Try to tell y'all, but here go the other shoe right here. I ain't gonna lie. Which one I like better, the right or left? So me personally, I like the left one better because I like this light brown swoosh. It just pops out of the shoe a little bit. See the print on the back of the heel area, so not bad at all, not bad at all. Nike Dunk Low, man. Safari pack joints. I don't call them the with the Nike Dunk Low. You dinner can say that a little bit, but they call them Safari pack on Gold StockX, you know what I'm saying, in case you look the shoe up. So not bad, not a bad colorway. I'll definitely get this about a I guess about a 8.5 out of 10. That's a good, you know what I'm saying? That's a good rate on this shoe. Like I said, it's just super fire. Like I said, be a lot of versatile. You could be different with this shoe a lot. So you, like I said, you ladies out there to looking for a women's donkey dunk or whatever, something different, something will pop out. This will be definitely a good one for you for sure. Not too high in price, anything like that. Definitely be a good one for you, man. But let's go talk about the shoe, man. So on your outsole here, you got your black outsole. Love black outsoles on Nike Dunks or any shoes like that. Around the toe box, you got your cheetah print, but the cheetah print is sway on the toe box here, around the toe box. But on the toe box, it's, you know what I'm saying, you, nothing crazy. You normalize, standardized Nike Dunk leather here, always on any Nike Dunk majority of the time. Right here, you got your teal Nike Swoosh right here, suede by the way, and also you got your brown Nike Swoosh that's also suede as well. So that's the difference on the shoe. And also right here around the laces, this side is purple with the light brown Nike Swoosh, and it's also like more like a red right here with the teal Nike Swoosh. So right here is leather. Right here it's not suede, anything like that, if I could tell close up. And right here, so this material is always catching me off guard. I don't like this material majority of the time. I could tell this is a teal material. You can tell it's a teal color. It's also a purple color right here. So this material I'm not familiar with at all. So comment down below, man. Let me know if you're familiar with the material. Normally you see this material on like a lot more women's shoes. You rarely see it on men's shoes, but majority of the time they put this material on like elephant shoes, elephant print colorways, or something animal instinct, something with animal that put that material on here. So like I said, if you're familiar with this material, comment down below, man. Let your boy know down below. Also on the tongue here, you got your, it's like an OG tongue type. So you got your stitched in Nike Air. So on this Nike tongue here, you got your Nike and you got your red swoosh. Got your hints of your white laces. And it also comes with black laces as well. But me, if I would wear this shoe, I would stick with the white laces. The black one won't be too bad, but I stick with the white laces. But for real, if you really want to get very versatile, you can put different color laces in these and pop out the shoe even more. Just saying. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this shoe is fire for the women's, man. Y'all could be very versatile with this shoe. And on the inside of the shoe, you got your white and you got your red Nike swoosh inside of the shoe. And back on the heel tab, you got your red Nike on the back of the heel and got your orange Nike back of the heel. So this shoe definitely 8.5 out of 10. I think if this material went on the shoe, I definitely get a 9 out of 10. Just I don't like it that much, but like certain women like this type of, you know what I'm saying, that material, but not me. I don't really ain't messing with it because in the rain, thing like that, we get all wet and all that good stuff. Nah. But like I said, overall this shoe definitely fire, super clean colorway. Like I said, the swoosh material is suede, and also this cheetah print is also suede as well on the back of the heel. The same material on the around the toe box, and you got your little elephant print stuff on the side of the shoe. Got your elephant print along the toe box here. So like I said, this shoe definitely 10 out of 10. Definitely shoe 8.5 out of 10, not too bad. But like I said, always go a half size up in Nike Dunk lows. No matter if they high, low, mids, whatever, always go a half size up in these joints for sure, man. Like I said, here they go, man. Once again, a Nike Dunk Low Safari Pack. Clean colorway, something different. Like I said, look at something different, ladies, in the collection. This definitely be a go-to. Not too high price on resale value right now, so definitely, y'all should definitely look into this shoe, man. So hopefully I change y'all mind or got y'all to be like, "Ooh, I like that shoe," or whatever, persuade y'all. So, hey, I can do what I do. You know what I'm saying? So, but that's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always, man. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Also, follow me on my platforms down below. I appreciate that as well. Like I said, 4 uploads, got 1 more to go. So y'all be ready for it, man. Catch y'all another video, man. Y'all have a blessed one. Y'all don't want is out. Peace.